I'm David Stringer with Insignia, and if you follow us on social media, you know that we are all about vehicle personalization. Vehicle personalization is a process of helping car dealerships retail accessories in the showroom and on the service drive. Well, given all the fun that we have in this business, I have a little bit of an embarrassing secret. No, it's not that I play with my Star Wars toys in the office. It's what I drive. Not this. I drive this. I drive a 2016 VW Passat. Now don't get me wrong, it's loaded with technology, it's comfortable, and it is a sporty drive. But I have to admit, it is a little boring to look at. So I've affectionately called it the Diplomat. So here's the deal. The great folks at LLumar have taken pity on me and the Diplomat, and they have offered to tint my windows with their Performance Series window film. It's the top of the line LLumar window film. And it's all going to be part of the #Diplomat Challenge, which will be a fun way to do some fun stuff with my car and make the Diplomat not so boring. We are here in the shop today with Bobby Cardwell, a master technician with Eastman Performance Films. And he is going to install on the Diplomat the what series?
It's our ceramic film, CTX 30 to be exact.
So Bobby, tell me how you got into this business.
I was in college, went to apply for a job, and I went there to do something other than window film. I went there for graphic design, but I ended up kind of gravitating towards the window film division of this shop, and just kind of fell in love with it.
So now, what do you do exactly for LLumar?
I basically travel and I train guys inside of dealerships on how to install our film so they can add that to their list of aftermarket items that they bring onto the car. And, I enjoy it. It's a really fun job. It's rewarding. I get to show guys a new skill, how to make a living, and and hopefully better their lives. I've met guys that didn't have any skill, and now they're making more money than I'm making. So that's rewarding.
What a difference. The Diplomat looks awesome. Thanks so much to Bobby and the entire Eastman Performance Film team for getting us started with the #Diplomat Challenge. For more information on LLumar, check out LLumar.com. For more information on vehicle personalization, check out InsigniaGroup.com. Now it's your turn. Post some comments in the video and let's take the Diplomat to a whole nother level. So we look forward to all the comments and suggestions for what we're going to do next. So check us out. Thank you so much.